So Pinterest has released something called Idea Pins, and this is their competitor to TikTok as well as things like Instagram Reels. Now, as of right now, Idea Pins aren't available to everyone. So if I just go to the official website of Pinterest, you can see that Idea Pins availability are only in these countries as of right now. So I'll just scroll down slowly so you can have a look at every country. But if you're not in any one of these countries that are listed here, and I'll link this article in the description of the video so you can have a read, but it says here, if I scroll up, if you're not in these countries, you can request access by filling out this form. Now, what you need to do before you go ahead and tap fill out that form is you need to go ahead and switch to a Pinterest business account. So if you go to Pinterest and then you tap your profile icon at the bottom right, that'll take you to your profile, and then you can tap that little symbol at the top right, and then you want to tap on account settings, and then from here you want to scroll down and you want to create a linked business account. So you would go through this process of making a business account, and then you can go back and you can tap on that filling out this form button, and then you can fill out the form, and it says please be patient while we review your request. You'll receive an update in your notifications about your request in 1 to 2 days. So if you do get granted access to the Pinterest Idea Pins, what you can do to create a pin, it firstly says you must update your Pinterest app to the latest version, and Idea Pins are available on Android OS 7 or higher. So you would open your Pinterest app and then you'll see a new button with a plus symbol at the bottom of the screen. So if I go to Pinterest and I go back, you can see all the symbols at the bottom. In the center will be a little plus icon similar to that of TikTok. If I go to TikTok, you can see the plus icon at the bottom in the center. It'll be something similar to that. Then you would tap Idea Pin, tap the plus to add your first page, and then you can tap the record button to record up to 60 seconds of video, or select one or more photos or videos from your device. And then you would just go through the rest of these steps to create your Idea Pin. Once again, I'll link this specific article in the description. But the most important thing is to remember that you need to be in one of these countries. And if you're not in one of these countries, you need to go ahead and fill out that form by tapping. If you're not in these countries, you can request access by filling out this form. Go ahead, tap on that, and then just wait 1 to 2 days, and then hopefully you'll get access to Idea Pins. If you do come back to this video and comment that you got access to Idea Pins, I'm going to go ahead and fill out that form after this video. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more Pinterest tips. Take care.